From mountains high to the sea so wide, in Palestine we stand with pride. Oh Palestine, oh land so dear, with hope and love we have no fear. Your beauty shines in every tree, Palestine forever free. The olive trees, the fields so green, in every corner peace is seen. The stars at night, they guide the way to brighter skies and a better day.